Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. There is
How
Astra.
are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Sorry? Yes, you have bio. First time you have to. Yes, you have a lot. Especially the first few lessons. So I think first lesson I will take after that eighth lesson. I think. Maybe it's there. I didn't check that. Yeah. Uh, Yeah. So yeah, I will share these presentation in the class slides in the classroom because it contains most of the necessary points that were there and the pictures. Mostly the pictures I took from the textbook itself, so no problem. So you can go through that. Till you get the textbook, you can go through that. Okay. After this class, I will share that in the classroom, assignment classroom, and so do you get the access to assignment classrooms? Okay, so then no problem. Manal, how are you? Yes, yes, actually, in your time, check your timetable, you would have any break in between. That's it. Okay, that's it. Jwelster, are you there? Or you don't, you, what is your first period? Okay, Jelster was already here when I jumped. Maybe he don't saw the message. So how was your club? Oh, okay. So this, where is it? Asra? Oh, ancestors. So I think it's a competition, right? Making the heard about that. Asra, how are you? Everybody, please turn on the camera. It's very boring. You simply talk. Not okay. Not okay. It takes 3 weeks time. She fell down from the terrace. She fell down from the terrace, open terrace, and fell to the sunshade. Yeah, she fall. Fortunately, she fall on the sunshade, so she just broke her leg. It takes 3 weeks. Astra, it will take 3 weeks. Okay, na, sometimes in the night she have some pain. Uh, that's it. So today we want to go. She can't move. She can't move. She just want to simply sit somewhere. And whenever she want to move or she wants something, I just want to go there and take it for her. Actually, she is okay because she's very happy because she just want to sit somewhere, right? So it's my duty to take. She's 20. She has 26 kg. So it's not easy for me to lift her and go here and there. Okay, that's it. So Jalsar is here. Manal. So maybe yeah. Uh, okay, okay. Just a minute. I will be back. Somebody in the door. Okay, then. So actually, this topic is very familiar to you. The next lesson. Yes. Yeah, yeah. So it's also plants. It's also plants. Okay. It's photosynthesis and carbon cycle. What next lesson? What do you have first? I forgot. It's about the genes and all. Do you want that lesson? I think one system, one body system is there in this, but I am not prepared for that. I prepared with the photosynthesis and about the genes, chromosomes, gametes, and all. That lesson is there. I just want to check your textbook. I will tell you tomorrow. Is it okay? So you want genes, right? So photosynthesis lesson we can go fastly, okay? Because they are very familiar to you, and we can complete it within 1 week or like that. Okay, okay. I think we can start with this itself. It's because they are very easy, first class, right? So no problem. Say very same repeating things are coming again and again, right? It would be boring for you, I know. Hi, Manal. What happened, Manal? Why are you so sad? Mood swings? Yes. I'll give you some homeworks that you can do. And in G4, I give you some homework. Just draw a plan. Just draw a plan and what and mark the label the parts of that. That type of homework is easy, right? You can do that. I don't prefer to give more homeworks to the students. Mostly, I covered all the all the works as classwork, like do the workbook, everything. I will do it in the classroom itself. Okay, I give only one or two homeworks in one lesson. Yes. Oh, what happened to this? Yes, you can. And then you all can say. Then I don't want to take. Then do one thing. You can take the class. I will share. You don't have the textbook, right? So it's that's not possible, easy for to flip the class. So okay, we can do that. Okay, Andrea, you can set. What is photosynthesis? Okay. So do you know what are the products of photosynthesis? What we get after the photosynthesis? What is the food? In which form? No? So what are the chemical terms of that? Sorry, Manan, I didn't. Carbon dioxide is one of the product. Uh, yes, but I understand. She said about the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is one of the products and something else, which is the food. Is the oxygen come out after the process of photosynthesis? That's what we learned this lesson. You have to know what is the difference between photosynthesis and respiration. That's all coming in this lesson. That's it. What is respiration? Yes, yes. That is respiration. So, when we respire, we take in which gas? Actually, what about the plants? Okay, is the same thing. The Gelsian, what is your opinion? Gelsian, are you there? So, during the photosynthesis or plants respire what? Which gas? Yes. No. That's the main uh, thing what you have to learn in this lesson. Actually, photosynthesis is extremely different from respiration. Okay, photosynthesis is not the respiration process in plants. Okay, respiration in plants is. Yes. Photosynthesis is food making process and the respiration is entirely different from these two are the main processes that happens inside a plant. Okay. Photosynthesis and respiration. So during respiration, plants take in carbon dioxide, sorry, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide like what we do. Okay. Okay, you are not familiar with that things. That's why we have this lesson. So your first lesson is photosynthesis and spot the difference between these two poles. You can see some two poles, right? What's the difference between the plant? Okay. Yes. And what about the color of the leaf? Yeah. So from this, what we understand? Yes, very good. Plants need sunlight. That's it. So sunlight is very essential for the plants to grow. Okay, that's it. That's what I want from you. So look, this is a brief thing in photos. I don't want to explain everything that because you know what is. Yes, it is not respiration. I ask you what is happening during the respiration of plants. Right? Photosynthesis is not the respiration. Okay. Yes, it is coming. The I think it's the third lesson or second lesson. It's not in the first lesson. So photosynthesis process you are very familiar. We don't want to repeat it again and again. It would be very boredom for you. But I want to stress one or two points in that. You don't know which are the products of photosynthesis, right? So you said one thing. You said oxygen. That is correct. Okay, so what is that? Oxygen is come out as a result of photosynthesis, and other thing is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is actually it is stored. It is formed inside the plant in the form of glucose. Okay, glucose. Okay, and it what happened now when it is excess after the usage, they will store in the form of starch. Okay, when it is used, so when it is used by the plants, it is in the form of glucose, and after the usage there may be some excess food, right? So like when we cook some food, and especially during your Ramadan or like that celebration, you may prepare biryani in your house, right? So when it is excess, what will we do? What will you do? You just keep it in the fridge and refrigerator, and next day you will take it and use it, right? You will eat it. So like that. Yes, Manan? Yes. Then in the case of as what happened you after the Onam, what happened every day there will be sambar, avial, like that. Because every day, because we have a lot of food, will be excess food will be there, and we continuously use that. For the next 1 week, it will be sambar and rice. Okay, so like that, what happened now? When plants produce food in the form of glucose, and when it is excess, that store it in the form of starch. That's it. Okay, let's see what. And what are the main things that need for the plants while during the photosynthesis? You know this, right? I don't know. Sunlight, very good. Water, very good. In the presence of sunlight and water, inside which part of the plant it is formed, food is. Yes, carbon dioxide. Very good. Sunlight is needed, carbon dioxide is needed, and water is needed. And inside which part of the plant it is formed? Chloroplast, very good. Chloroplast is a cell organelle that in which the photosynthesis occurs. And inside the chloroplast there are some green pigments. What is the name of that green pigment? Very good, very good. So that terms you have to remember. Okay. Asra, do you know which is a cell organelle in which occur? This, the cell organelle in which the photosynthesis occur. Yes, very good. So you don't get confused about the cell organelle and pigment. Okay, the green pigment in which the chlorophyll, what is the function of that chlorophyll? Why it is green in color? No, it's because of its presence. The green leaf is green in color. Okay, because of its presence, yes, Mana. You don't get the question, right? You're not famous. Um, oh, Manal was not there at that time. Okay, Manal cell, like in our body we have so many parts, right? We have eyes, hand, leg, all the parts are there, right? Like that, our body is made up of so many cells. You know that, right? Okay, so mainly there are two types of cells. Animal cell is there, that is these animals, all the animals are made of animal cells. Okay, and plant cell is there, all the plants are made of plant cells. Okay, these cells are the basic unit of all organism. Okay, so inside the cell there are some parts. Okay, some parts seen inside the cell is called a cell organelle. Okay. And real, can you name some cell organelles in plant cell? Hmm. Yes. Vacuole, very good. Which is the main central part? Central part? Yes, very good, very good. Nucleus. Mitochondria is actually the powerhouse of the cell. Okay. Nucleus is the place where the DNA, RNA, the genetic materials are seen. Okay. Okay, Manal, so I think you got the names of some cell organelles. Nucleus is there, mitochondria is there, chloroplast is there, vacuole is there. So all these things have separate function. All these things have separate function. Okay, so this chloroplast actually seen only in plant cell. It is not seen in the animal cell because these chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, a green pigment that helps in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, look at the picture and Manan, you can see green colored structure. So the inside that you can see some coin-like structures, like right? These are actually chlorophyll containing pigments seen inside this chloroplast. Okay, its name is thylakoid. So many parts are there inside the chloroplast. You don't want to buy out everything. So inside this chloroplast, there are green pigments called chlorophyll. Okay, these leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, green leaves and stem. It is very abundant in the leaf. That is why the leaf is green in color. Okay, when the leaves become age, the chloroplast content or the chlorophyll content become decreases. That's why it turns into yellow color. Okay, any confusion in that? Uh, when, sorry, when the leaves come. Yes, yeah, because the chlorophyll get degraded inside that leaf. Okay, that's why it color changes to yellow in color. Okay, yes, yes, chlorophyll. Yes, yes. If the green chlorophyll, there are some leaves that is red in color. Have you seen? Ever seen that? Some leaves are red color or violet color. In that what happen, they have some another pigment called xanthophyll. Actually, because of the presence of that, its color is red or pink or violet, orange color. Some there are so many different colors of leaves. But inside that also chlorophyll is there. Then only it can conduct the photosynthesis process. Okay. Okay, so it is violet or red in color because the other pigment is more as compared to the chlorophyll. Okay, that's why the color is red. Okay, the just a minute. ഉണ്ടാക്കല കൊച്ചി. Sorry. Sorry, my daughter come and she fell down. No, no, the younger one. I have two daughters. Okay. So last hour also I have class. So she got bored. Simply, she don't like to simply sitting in front of. Yeah. As she came, now she came to take my phone. Because she don't like to simply sit in the front of the TV. If phone is there, she can move. She can walk like that. What? No, 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 no. I just connect my charger. So she. Uh, what happened? Wait, wait. Yes. Wait, 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 wait. She fell on that charger and. Okay. Okay, that's it. So because I continuously for 1.5 hours I am sitting here. That's it. I have continuous two classes. Okay. It's my mother. Uh, okay, but I got distracted a little bit. Sorry, sorry. So chloroplast is so my mother-in-law came to ask for the food. Yeah. Okay, my husband is not. So chloroplast is a cell organelle in which chlorophyll is present in it. Okay. Cell organelles. You are asking not the cell. These are cell organelles. That is the part seen inside the cell. Okay. So cell. Okay. These are the cell. Yes. These are the organelles parts that seen inside the cell. Oh yeah. So I think I just want to give something like that. Then only what this content will be thorough for you. Okay, Manal. Manal, I think you can do that. Everybody, please try to make a model of a plant cell and an animal cell, and then you will understand the which are the organelles, what is the difference between a plant cell and animal cell, all these things. Then in one there is cell wall is present and vacuole is bigger in plants and plant cell. Cell membrane both are there, but in animal cell only cell membrane is there. Also, all the things you just go through the that and you just make a model of that. You have to learn it because you are in G8, right? So these are the very basic things that you have learned from the G6 or G5 or like that. Okay, repeating again and again, it will make a loss of. Okay, okay. Then you can make Manal. I think you can try to make that. So if you Yes. Jelster also. Jelster, are you there? Just try to make a model of a plant cell. Okay. You can make a model. You can make it in a cardboard. Or you can draw it on a chart. Yeah, if you don't know how to make it, you can draw it on a chart paper or like that. Okay, then actually I didn't add that here because I hope you know that all these things. And next day I think I can take the picture of that both plant cell and animals, or better I will try to find a video about that. Then it will be more clear for you, right? Okay, it's no problem. Next day I will take the picture of that because when I simply ask, explain it. Yes, Andre? So you can just go through that. And tomorrow I will show you a video about the difference between the plant cell and animals, and then it will be more clear. Okay. So like this, you have to by heart it. Just listen. This is actually. Wait, I will tell you. This is what happens. Yes, it is the equation. This equation is given in your textbook. It's okay. This is actually reaction with this is actually the chemical reaction that are happening during the photosynthesis process. Okay, just don't get confused. This is just one thing. Carbon dioxide. Maybe continuously I'm using this. TV is also running there. Glucose and oxygen. Let's see, you don't want to by heart it. Just yes. Formula is actually there in your textbook. That's it. Okay, I will tell you. Don't you know carbon dioxide is CO2, water is H2O? Know that, right? G8. So carbon dioxide is CO2. Okay, so you do know the chemical formula of oxygen? O2. O3 is ozone, O2 is oxygen. So you're not familiar with the atomic number, mass number and all? That is not in the chemistry part. It's all chemistry. It's not biology. But those are the basic things that you have to know. Otherwise, when you go to the higher classes, it will be difficult because there are periodic table in the periodic table there are different types of elements in that. Okay. Yeah. Hydrolysium, sodium, potassium, rhodium system, francium. Yes, that's a good because you should just know the which is the formula for this. Like C is for carbon, O is for oxygen, like that. At least you should know that. Okay, H is for hydrogen, K is for potassium, Na for sodium, like that. H2O means two hydrogen plus one oxygen. That's it. One atom of oxygen. That is H2O. CO2, one carbon dioxide. Very good. One carbon and two oxygen molecules. 6. That is glucose. 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen together forms a one glucose molecule. Okay. Okay. So actually, we have some chemical reactions. They will give you first two ones, then you have to find which are the products of that. Then you have to connect it. You have to by heart the atomic number of that. There are so many processes that's go in that, connecting the atomic number to this and mass number like that. I am also very much confused when I studied that. That's why I don't take chemistry as my degree. Because I like chemistry, but these chemical equations are that are very confusing for me. Okay. But basically, till the yeah, uh, yeah. So, but it will be easy when you know the periodic table and the elements and all. Then it will be easy for you. Otherwise, when you if you know these, what are these CO2? More easy for me. I just want to set you carbon dioxide plus water. What are the things that used during? You don't want to by heart everything. The most used things are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sodium, potassium. These are very common things, right? Very common. Just learn that. Okay, then it will be more easier for you because like me, the biology teachers or physics teachers, it will be difficult for you to explain the what is the chemical formula of this and that. But we have to teach you this type of equations. Okay, so then that's it. Okay, that's it. I guess this is the equation that only we can because we are not specialized in that subject, right? So it is not very much easy. If you prepare for that, then it is okay. We can take that. Otherwise, we are not prepared for that because we think that we already learned that in the chemistry classes. That's it. Okay, so you don't want to by heart like this. You just remember that one thing during the photosynthesis, what happened? Oxygen, carbon dioxide is used, water is used in the presence of sunlight. It is turned into glucose and oxygen. That's it. Okay, you know that the plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and use the sunlight. Yes. Yeah. That is this. The same thing is this, and from that these things, glucose and oxygen is produced. That's it. This is what written as equation here. Carbon dioxide plus water. It in the presence of sunlight, it is turned into glucose and oxygen. That's it. I think Manal is totally exhausted. Manal, what happened to you? So next day I will No need of confusion. Respiration, we will come in this lesson itself. It will come. So this is an yes. Yes, Joel. I said, I'm not sure whether you are in the class. Yes, you can plug it in. You are not. Jelsia, wait. What? You can go. Okay, you can remove it and keep it aside. You don't want to go anywhere else, right? I also charge the. Now it is charging. Okay. And do I go anywhere else? In your case, you're simply opening the you can go and take it. Okay, no problem. So in your case, you're simply opening this meat only, right? So you can okay, sure. Okay, so that's it. Manal, don't get. I understand. Actually, I think you know what is the chemical equations. I think you know. I think you know the cell organelles and all. That is also a confusion to you, and also you have a confusion between the photosynthesis and respiration. And what I want to tell you is, don't get confused with photosynthesis and respiration. That will come in the next lesson. Okay. That's what I said. Manan, don't get confused. Thing will be clear. Next day, I will start from the basic things. Okay. I start from this portion because I hope that you know that basic things. That's it. Now only I understand. Yeah. So no problem, Manal. I will prepare today. I will prepare for that, and tomorrow I will show you which from the from. Don't get tensed. Okay, no problem, Manal. Yes. So Manal is not here. Literally, come on, Dad. Let's wait for a minute. Let's. She will be back. Yes, I have a video that I took for the small kids about the photosynthesis and all. I think, but it has a very good explanation and it has a very good pictures and all. The video is very, but that's very cute. This slide I will upload. This slide I will upload. Before uploading that, I will add that videos also in this slide. Then it will be easy for you. You just make the model of that model or draw the picture of a plant cell or animal cell. Then it will be more clear to you. The basic things. So what do we want to wait for her? Astra will be. Sorry. What is that? It's about the effect of photosynthesis. So how the photosynthesis, just to check the presence of carbon dioxide in. Okay, Astra. Actually, I didn't get time to tie her hair and fresh up. It will. Yes, younger one. No, no, elder one broke her leg. Okay, so she's simply sitting. She's always like that. She don't know. She's like boys. She always want to do something adventurous. But elder one, elder one. So I will show this video. Yes. Now it's more adventure. Now it's more adventurous to me. Ah, I just a fraction. Yes, 3 weeks, but it's okay for her. First 2 3 days it was very difficult for her. So one main problem is what she want is she want to play like the younger one do, but she can't do that. That's why. So then she got irritated. She will makes she will fight with her. Yes. And now it's vacation time, right? Yes, here April May is vacation time, so that's so Manali is not here. Jwelster is not here. What's going on here? Oh my God. Jwelster, where did he go? What happened to Manali? I think we can. So you both of you know the what is photosynthesis is, what is the plant, what are the cell organelles. You don't have the doubt in that, right? Cell organelles. And respiration, you don't want to think about that. First, be thorough with the process of photosynthesis. Okay, then it will be easy to learn about the gelser. Gelser, where did you go? Okay. I don't know. I tell you to switch on to the charger, right? Yeah. So for tomorrow, actually, I think I have first period in your class, but there may be a slight change in that because tomorrow I want to go to office. It takes 1.5 hours to travel from here, my home to office. But actually, tomorrow my husband will be here. That's why. Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, from next he has some class from the AA classes, and also at that time he can't attend he can't be here. So that's why I'm going to office tomorrow. So maybe there will be a swapping. Some other teacher will come at first period, and I will go to her class. I will come at that time. Yeah, just a swapping. Period, maybe some other teacher will come, and period I will. Okay, I just want to check with Jabin whether she has any other class at that time. Okay. Yes, but I just want to check it whether she had any other class at first period at that time. I just want to ask her after this class. So Manal is back. Okay, Manal, we were waiting for you. So I will play this video. I will play this video. We didn't start it yet. We just discussed something else. Yes. To get that, because yes, yes, it is a proof that. So you can do like this. You don't want this beaker or like you can just take a small plastic pot or like that. You can pour some water in that. You can add some water plants in it. Okay, water plants. Okay, and you can put something with the hole, like you can use the funnel that is used in the kitchen and all. You can put like that, and you can put that uh, pot in sunlight. Then what happened? The photosynthesis will occur, and you can see the bubbles in it. And if you put a flame in front of that, then you can see it goes the flame will come out from that. Okay, this experiment that you can do easily in your home. If you have what you want is just a water plant. Yes, matchstick. Yes, it's actually well, yes. Okay, actually you can use any flame, that's okay. So Okay. Any you can use lighter. Yes. Okay. You just put just put a small fire. You can use even a small. Wait, wait. മോളെ അമ്മ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കല്ലേ മോള് അവിടെ പോയിരിക്കേ. My daughter is threatening me. If I don't lower my sound, she will increase the phone sound. She don't know that she is only 4 years old. Yeah. Yes, yes, that's why. She's always like that. She talks like that. Always threaten us. If you don't look that, she's like that. But she's very good. Because we don't feel anything. What? She's very helping. Also, she's very understanding. When you are not well, and she take care of. She'll go. Okay, so that's it. What we did on you should put a small flame in front of that, then that will ignite the flame. That's it. Okay. Candle. If you can have do it that. It's not a compulsory because uh, sorry. So I will pause it. Yes, yes, I will share it. Then it will be. You can see that. So if you're doing that, just take a video, okay? If you're doing this experiment, yeah, sure. So much of fun. So that's it. Your time is up. You can go. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye.